said it. Okay, one. I knew you will make it. I knew you will make it in life. Hey!
Hello! Hello! Number one!
Mama.
Number one, no be guy name, now doings! Now, no say you be man, now you be man. Number one!
Yes.
You be man.
Yes.
Hey!
I said it.
Don't make noise.
Can I call our
I knew you will
neighbors?
make it.
This neighborhood know the like noise.
Hey.
What is happening?
You can see
Mama,
yourself
now
everywhere.
you
can see yourself everywhere. in the house.
What is happening? Mama, it's okay, let's go.
You can see yourself everywhere.
They don't like noise.
Don't make noise. I told you that he will make it.
Mama, I hope you all like it.
Are you still asking?
Listen, I'm warning you.
Okay.
If you spoil or break anything here, I will keep that you have my blood aside and beat the hell out of you. Be careful around here.
Number one!
Finally, no noise around this vicinity.
Number one. I want to make noise.
Mama, what God has done in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen.
Hey.
What God did in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen.
As we have started eating on top dining, we shall never go back to floor.
Amen. Oh,
No, whoa.
Number one, I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise.
Don't be here.
They will arrest you.
We have governors, commissioners, billionaires around here. Don't just.
Hey! It's okay. Sorry, sir. I feel like making.
I have arrived.
Number one, leave.
Mama, you have been disconnected from poverty forever.
Amen.
Say bye-bye to poverty.
Obiam.
Say poverty, bye-bye.
Obiam. Bye-bye.
From now, you'll be eating only organic foods.
Bagam.
Number one.
Anything where they break on top is not for you.
Yeah, what?
They prepare your food, you eat it fresh, okay?
Yes.
Organic food. Let me call someone to bring something for us.
Thank you. Okay.
No! I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise here. What is happening?
Okay, Chuku, your mother just fainted at the market and she was rushed to the hospital. She's not
My mother fainted.
Yes.
Please, let's go. When did your mother faint?
She fainted and she's not with that. No, I don't know. I don't know what happened. But now, what are you doing?
Father, now go see him. No worry. No worry. She knew that they find me happy. I don't even know if you can. Go kill you for this village. Wait for me. Kill you for this village.
You don't know who I'm talking about. You don't know this person.
For what now? See, let me I'm not going anywhere, okay? What does he think he is, though? Does he have 2 heads?
Stanley, please. Okay, fine. I am the eldest brother's girlfriend. Don't you understand?
See, let me tell you, Ruth. See, I want to marry you. I mean, you can't be dating all these poverty guys in this village. For what? You're telling me to. I'm not going anywhere. Let him come.
Stanley.
See, let me tell you, if that guy comes here and do any rubbish, I will get him arrested. I will put him behind bars.
Okay, fine. I understand you, I understand. I will marry you. But you have to start living now. Just go. Stanley, please.
Don't panic. Don't worry. I'm here. Let the guy come. Does he have 2 heads?
Just now.
I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, Ebuka, please. Ebuka, please. Somebody help me!
It's not complete.
I know, but please help me. This is all I could raise for now. Things are hard, please.
You know you are owing us 10,000 naira before. And from your brother's incident the other time that led to the injury of someone.
Yes, I know. I will pay.
Okay. But that's by the way. Why don't you just save up money for us to be able to conduct your mother's surgery as soon as possible? You know it's overdue.
You are making sense, doctor. But the problem is, see that save up money from where? My expenses, family pressure is way above my income. If I tell you what I'm going through, doctor, I'm not supposed to be telling you this. But if you see family challenges, debt, school fees, my mom's own, it's too much on me. And I am the only source of hope. Please, bear with me. I will raise money and come and pay you. And I also raise money for my mom's surgery, please.
What happens is I'm going to write down that you're owing us this money. No problem. It's just because you're my friend that's why I'm doing this. I appreciate it. You wouldn't do this to any other person. That reminds me, you have to also encourage your mother to be consistent with her drugs. She has to take it very seriously.
I will.
Please.
I will.
It's well with you.
Thank you very much, doctor. I appreciate your kindness.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We are friends.
I want to buy bread. Okay. Which one? Give me this one. It's 1,500. Bring one sachet of. Okay, let me get it.
Where is he?
What happened?
This boy.
That boy is a thief. He stole from my shop.
That thief?
Bread that I'm selling 1,500 naira. This boy went and stole it.
Don't worry.
You will soon die.
Don't worry.
You will die soon.
I've marked his face.
Don't worry, leave him. We'll catch him again.
You will soon die.
We'll catch him. Let's go back. We'll catch him again.
Why would you go to beg for bread? Don't you know you're the son of a billionaire?
Forget it now. Mom, just eat the bread and have your medicine.
And what happened to your leg?
I was playing, I was running, so I don't sleep. But Mommy, it's nothing now, it's nothing, I will be fine. Just take your medicine. Andrew, see what your brothers and uncles have done to Zinto. Andrew, look at what they have done to Zinto. Okay. Look at your son is now a beggar, begging for common bread. Common bread, Andrew. Andrew, why did you allow us to pass through this all alone? Don't leave me, I'm watching and I'm tired. I'm tired watching. Andrew, what is this? God, this was not the life I planned for. This was not the life I planned for, Andrew. Andrew, it's okay now. It's okay. Don't you be God, it's okay. Hi.
Ma, I saw what happened in your shop today.
You saw what happened? That boy is a thief. Do you know him?
No, Ma. Ma, please, can I pay for the bread he stole?
No, never mind. Are you sure you don't know him?
It doesn't really matter if I know him or not. I just feel like paying.
Who are you?
Never mind.
I'm gonna go inside and rest, okay?
No.
Huh?
I want to sit outside so I can get a fresh air.
No, Mama, let's go inside so I can rest now.
No, let me sit.
You prefer here?
Yes.
Let me get you.
Thank you, my son. God bless you.
Mama, please. Don't skip anyone.
I will.
Please, make sure you take it as instructed.
Oh.
Let me get you.
Ma, God bless you, Mama. God bless you.
Fire!
What is it? Jesus Christ. Who did this to you? Hey! What is this?
It's in your bookie.
Hey! Animal place of fame. What's that?
He asked me to be his girlfriend and I refused. He said to drug me and I slapped him and pushed me in my right hand and ran away with his friends.
So what did you do in your school?
Yes.
Jesus.
They want to kill my last child for me.
Mama, please, I'm coming.
Let me follow you people now.
No, Mama, please now. Shut yourself. Sit here, I'm coming.
Where is Ebuka? Ebuka! 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 Hey!
Okay, Chuku, you're a thief. You're a liar. That is what you are. Your mother that I saw in the market just fainted and you took her to the hospital. Ah! Oh! You're just driving down from the hospital with your sister. Ha! Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku. So my keke has turned to family carrier. You are crazy, okay? Okay, if you know what is good for you. Okay, so you left my kids stranded in the school. Okay, so I gave you my keke now to be carrying your family members ups and down. Is that what you have turned my keke into? Okay, you left my kids stranded in the school. Don't bother. Yes, oh, don't bother. They are back. If you know what is good for you, just return my keke right now. Yes. If you know what is good for you. Can you imagine this fool, oh? Eh? Can you imagine this idiot? The keke that my husband gave to me. Let me use and cater for the family. Feed the children. I gave it to this animal and he's messing around with it. No problem. You will go and come back and meet me here. I'm here waiting for you. Eh? My own keke. You have turned into family carrier. Okay? No problem. Very stupid. You're mad. How dare you? Eh? You turned my keke to family carrier. Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Ha! Madam, you don't have the right to hit a man.
And who are you? Who called you here? Is this your business? Huh?
I'm sorry, I know it's my business. But please, show some respect. He's a man.
You see what you have caused? Okay, you see what you have caused. You are lying this ringworm. Eh? This is... What will I even call her? To talk to me anyhow. It's not your fault.
Please.
It's not your fault.
Madam, sorry. Please don't add salt to my injury. Just go, okay? It's a family problem. You can go.
I'm sorry.
Go. Thank you.
You allowing this little rat to talk to me anyhow.
I'm sorry.
Can I have my keys now? Can I have my keys? Idiot. You allowing this idiot to talk to me anyhow.
Madam, please.
Thunder will fire you.
Madam, I don't have any...
If you touch me one more time, idiot, I can drive my keke back home.
This is my last hope. Madam, please.
Who? You think you're the only one that can drive keke? I say get out!
Have you agreed on what I told you?
I have been very sick for a week now.
That is not the point. We had a discussion.
Please, can you just allow me to mourn my husband? I'm still mourning him, please.
It has nothing to do with what we said. Why are you doing this to yourself? Huh? Why are you doing this to yourself? You are mourning your husband and so? The dead is dead. Life goes on. You and I are still living. Let us enjoy ourselves. Is your boy around?
No, he went out.
Good. So what are we waiting for? Let us go inside and have a good time. Let's go in there and enjoy ourselves. A beautiful woman like you with all these lovely qualities. Your husband shouldn't have died and leave all this behind. He left it for a purpose.
Sir, please. Please. I told you I have been very ill. I'm frustrated, I'm hungry. Please, can you just understand my predicament, please?
Predicament? Predicament, you say? How else do you want me to understand your predicament? I put you in a house where you pay 5,000 naira every week. What else do you want me to do? Oh, allow you to live in the house free of charge? You can't be starving me with this thing and yet you want me to leave you here. I want this thing. It's something you can give to me and then you and I will have our peace. I can even give you more. You can be staying here and you won't be paying anything. What is it? Just be my side chick. That is what I'm asking for. Be my side chick.
Gee! Andrew!
Andrew are you calling? Which Andrew are you calling? Andrew that is long dead and buried. You are calling Andrew to come and do what now? To come and attack me? Or what?
No, I wasn't calling anybody.
Look, I have said it and I'm saying it again. You cannot be starving me with that thing in between your legs. And then you expect me to live here, to live in my house free of charge. If you get well, you will look for elsewhere to put your head. I've had enough of you. I'm done pitying you. You need to consider me for once. Consider me for once. Nonsense.
I am left with nothing upon everything I want all my life. I have no one to speak for me. Not at all. Is this how life is? Ooh, I am tired of this world.
Uncle, I have collected everything I need from this woman. The houses, the car, everything. She killed half of her family, uncle. She cannot be allowed to stay in this house. She can't. Never. And for your information, madam, we have gotten your luggage at the front of the house. Please, as you are leaving from here, just carry your things, cha-cha, and go. At once.
Yes. Even the car you drove in. We are collecting it from you. You're not going back with it. Everything, we are collecting it. Yes. You're evil.
Very evil.
You killed our only brother. Our breadwinner of the house. You killed him. You're wicked. You're wicked.
Was that why you all closed my late husband's house and collected all his assets from me? What about my son? What about his son?
This woman, you are a prostitute. And you are a very hardened prostitute. Look at your face. Look at the way you are talking. Do you think we don't know that this boy here is not our blood? What? No, do you think we don't know? And you killed half of your family. You sit down here. After killing half of your family, and you are talking to us. We asked you to swear an oath. Swear to your innocence. You refused.
Oju?
Okay. Okay, no problem. No problem. I have agreed. I have agreed to swear. I have agreed to swear. Obviously, remember I used to be your favorite sister-in-law. Why are you treating me like this?
Be quiet!
Why? Why, Obviously?
Look at this woman. Be quiet! Stop all these crocodile tears. You're all pretense. We know. They're all pretense. Be quiet.
Yes. And I told you there's no naya. But one more go step up. Carlo.
Papa.
Not taki mota.
Give me that keys.
I am left with nothing upon everything I want all my life. I have no one to speak for me. Not at all. Is this how life is? I am tired of this world. My God, please, fight this battle for me.
I'm tired. 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 God, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? I'm tired. God, oh God,
God, please have
what kind
mercy
of
on
life
me.
is this? I'm tired.
Don't let me to die. The battle is too much on me. When I do what I see, I'm one don't let me to die in this battle. Hear my cry, oh Lord. Hear my cry, when I do what I see. Is this how life is? Everything has fallen apart. My son is caused problems everywhere and there.
You suddenly remembered you have a paternal home. Norma, for 15 solid years, I didn't set my eyes on you. And now you appear suddenly from the blues with your crocodile tears. You blackmailed me. You went about telling people how evil I was, to the extent that you told some that I was responsible for your father's death. My own blood brother, whom you knew very well, was suffering from appendix. And his own wife was suffering from unmanageable high blood pressure.
Uncle, please hear me out, please. Be gonna hear me out.
What do you want me to hear about you? What do you want me to hear about you? Now let me take you down memory lane. When you were with me, I sponsored your WAEC fees. But thank God, you passed your papers. And at that time, you brought your fiancé, Andrew, who was serious on getting married to you. I had the hope that he was going to take over from where I stopped. But we never saw the light of that. Eventually, I had to make sure that I sponsored you through higher institution, which is the Polytechnic. And when you finally came out as a graduate, what did you do? You abandoned me because you found a husband. And what still? And when Andrew was ready to pay your bride price, you went to hire uncles to replace me. You practically asked your husband-to-be not to give me the bride price. As if that was not enough. You made sure that all the pastors you told about how evil I was, they on their own too, were telling you here and there that I was responsible for the death of your parents. Norma, look at you. Now you are here and you are asking me to hear you out. What more will you tell me? You know I had 2 children. At some point in time I lost my job. But your rich husband, you make sure that he will not give me money. And now you are here. Where are they today? Your husband's brother, haven't they abandoned you? Your husband, where is he today?
I can't find them.
You can't find them. If you're able to find them, will you be here today? No. Now listen to me, Norma. If you had stick to me as your uncle, or assume that I was your father, or I am your father, all you are suffering through now will not be. You see, buddy, make sure that you paid me back with the bad side of the coin. But you thought you were smart. You see where your smartest have landed you?
Uncle, please.
See, I have nothing to add to you anymore. There is nothing between you and I as far as I'm concerned.
I'm sorry, Uncle.
Nonsense.
Uncle, please, I'm begging, please.
I can't help
Uncle,
you.
please.
Your U-turn back to me will not save you.
Please, please, I'm begging you. I was deceived by people. Please, Uncle, help me. Help me, I'm begging you in the name of God. I have no one. Please help me. Please.
I said I can't hear you. What I said, did it fall on deaf ears?
God! Andrew!
You bit the finger that fed you.
I don't have anyone.
My father has a lot of friends. Let's go and meet one of them, especially those ones that promise to take care of us.
You will not understand. Those are promises made on sand.
But what do you mean by promises made on sand?
All your late father's friends want to sleep with me. But I can't. I can't sleep with them because I love your father so much. He was everything I had. I wish I had money. I would have established a business for myself.
Okay. God. It's okay. Everything will be alright, I believe so.
God, why? God, why me? Why me?
Okay.
Why me, God? I should have stayed with my uncle instead of focusing on your late father's brothers. See what they have done to me. See what they have done to me. God! I'm tired. I'm tired of this type of life. I'm tired, God. I'm tired. I'm tired, God. God, why? Why me? Why me, God? God, why? Oh, God. Oh.
Mommy, the water is running.
All right. Nabia, I'm coming. Come here. Nabia, oh.
Dorothy is a wicked fellow.
Give us more rice now. No, I'm talking to my sister. Does that affect your rice?
Dorothy is a wicked fellow. How could she? How could she collect the cake from you just like that? Huh?
No nonsense, Dikeh safe.
My madam is wicked. But why is all these things happening to me? Like everything is crashing. I've been calling your phone, but it's not connecting. Why? Hello, what is it? You look tense.
I'm coming from the hospital. Eh?
What's happening there?
Ebuka saw Stanley and I standing on the roadside, talking. He came out from nowhere and stabbed him.
Ewo, my son?
Yes, Mama.
I hope the man didn't die.
Mama, right now he's at the hospital on life support.
So, what is Stanley? But you, Seth, how many times have I warned you to stop hanging around with that Yahoo boy? What are you people up to?
We're just talking.
Talking what?
I have nothing to do with him. We're just talking. Hey.
Where is Ebuka?
He's at the police station.
Oh,
God.
Whoa. Oh.
Mama?
I can't see where Jay.
Are you sure this is not a spiritual problem? Because I don't understand why everything is crashing on us. Look at my sister's eye. What I'm hearing is punky this, punky that. I don't know. Look at what my madam did to me. I lost my keke. She slapped me on top. You are sick. Now, Ebuka stabbed some... If anything happens to that man, I will kill Ebuka myself.
No.
He keeps causing trouble for me. Do you want to give me high blood pressure? The other day, he stabbed one man when they were watching Chelsea match. I know what I went through. Now he stabbed Stanley. Who sent him? If anything happens to Stanley, I will kill Ebuka myself. I'm not his father.
Please, you don't have to. Please. Go to police station and see how to help him out, please. I'm not going anywhere. He's your brother. Please go to police station and see how to help him. Okay.
Mama, stop okaying me now. Stop. I'm going to my madam's place. I'm going to see my madam. Let me see if I can retrieve my keke. That's what's on my mind. I will not go to that police station. Okay? If you can do the crime, do the time.
Okay, Chukwunwam. But you know Ebuka is your younger brother. Please, you still have to go to the police station and help him out.
I will not go to any police station, Mama. Ebuka is my younger brother, and so? Now, does that give him the license to be stupid every now and then? Hi. Who sent him to stab Stanley? Who? So please leave me alone, I beg. I had enough on my head already.
Okay.
Okay, again. You know you caused this. You caused it. Had it been you were not moving around talking rubbish with that Yahoo boy, Ebuka wouldn't have stabbed him.
I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you're sorry. Will sorry make amends? Will sorry heal him? It's easy to say you're sorry. Can your sorry correct the damage?
But I wasn't doing anything with him.
Must you be talking with him?
Just innocent.
What were you discussing with him? Respect yourself. Talking with him is cheating on me, if you don't know. Talking with him is cheating on me already. You must not sleep with him first. What are you defending nonsense for? Who doesn't know that you are my girlfriend in this village? Everybody knows you are my girlfriend. Had it been you were not standing with that idiot, Ebuka wouldn't have stabbed him. So you caused everything. Leave me alone. Stop saying sorry.
Nah.
Mama?
Okay.
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 Okay, Mom. Ebuka won on herself. Ebuka. Okay. Hey! Oh, we have Ebuka. Okay, I refuse to go. I don't have a husband. What do I do?
I know you.
You again? Why are you everywhere?
I am not everywhere. I should be the one asking you if you're stalking me.
Me stalk you as how? Come on, Obo. Were you not the parrot that made my madam took her keke from me? Were you not the one? Cho. You saw adults talking instead of you to mind your business. Who asked you to talk? Don't get me angry. I'm in a bad mood already.
I'm sorry, sir. Sir, please. Where can I get keke to community school or what? I am going for a jam lesson. And I have trekked for like over 20 minutes from my village to this place.
Do I look like keke chairman? Why are you bent on disturbing me now? You've been trekking for the past 20 minutes, so we should run away. When I was your age, I used to trek from village to village in search of Udala. And you're here telling me you've been trekking for the past 20... Don't get me angry. You are already in our community. When you go straight down, get to the extreme, take your right, they will show you the community school.
Sir, I can see you are frustrated.
How about your grandmother?
She traveled.
Okay. Ever since I started coming, I have not seen her.
Yes, that is because she traveled to abroad from Mugo. My uncle's wife put to bed, so she had to go.
And your uncle's wife doesn't have a mother?
Yes. She died many years ago. So, hope you enjoy the food.
Wow, yes, thank you. It tastes good.
You said you have something to tell me.
Okay, yes. One of my friends, Dikeh, injured a female student on her right eye.
What? Are you for real?
Yes. And he ran away and I tried to go after him. But I couldn't. Please, can I stay at your place for a moment?
Yes, as long as you won't misbehave. There's a room for you.
Thank you. I promise I'll not misbehave.
You're welcome. Eat your food.
The food tastes good. I enjoy it.
Nemeka, what are you doing to get money with the things you're buying? What are you doing? Tell me. Tell me the truth. Oh. Tell me the truth.
I go to the market. I follow my age mates, push wheelbarrow, we carry people's goods from the market to their car, and later
You will stop it. Nemeka, you have to stop it. I will look for money and open a business. Because I dreamt that the youth lynched on you for stealing.
Mom, I'm not stealing. I told you before, I'm not
Are you
stealing.
sure?
I'm sure. I'm not stealing.
Nemeka.
I'm not doing a training. Have I stole before?
Nemeka, you are stealing.
You are stealing. Eh? Bia? No, Emeka. Please. I don't want to lose you. Emeka, I don't want to lose you. Please. You're the only one I have. Please. I don't have anybody. Do you want to kill me? Do you want me to die? Please. Emeka, Iko. I don't want to lose you. Whatever you are doing, anything negative, you have to stop it, please. No, I don't want to lose you. Emeka, I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you, please. Please, I don't want to lose you. I love you. I don't want to lose you. You're the only one I have.
Open your eyes now. What is this thing called up doing in your vein? For who? For that thing, Okechukwu? See, Stanley has money. He has cars. He has houses. He's even building a hotel. He can take good care of you. Why you the door now? Baby girl, shine your eyes. What is wrong with you? What?
Uju, you know I love him.
Hey!
You know I love him.
Do you know what love is? Do you know? See, I think it's time for you to break free from this thing you call love. This is spell. It's a spell. What are you telling me? I'm talking about Stan. You're talking about dead human being. You can imagine your father is ill. He could only give you 2,000 naira. What could 2,000 naira do for you? But Stanley gave you enough money for medical bills. Is that not enough sign for you to know that this guy is from heaven, just for you to be happy as a chick that you are? I don't like this thing you're doing, no.
Uju, I don't know. I don't know what I can do without him. Like, hey. I love him so much. Unadomado. Eh? He has been the love of my life. He is the love of my life. You know what we've been through together.
I know.
You know about it.
Yes, I know. Ruth, and the inside fire. Because I can see that you cannot see. Your eyes are you are blinded by whatsoever. Will I say, is that love? What is love without money? Love without money is pain. Love is money. Money is love. Okay, let me ask you. When was the last time he bought you cream? Open your eyes. When was the last time he bought you on this? Because I know say some of those on this they don't tie with rope. Is it making any sense to you? Open your eyes for once now. Baby girl, open your eyes. Stanley is ready. Always ready. In fact, I don't know what to say again. Relationship. I'll bundle inside that relationship by force. Open your eyes, Joe. Stop not the dummy. What are you saying now?
Okay.
Move it! Move it!
Officer, please! What's going on?
I beg you,
what is happening?
Sir.
Move it!
I know the cooking, officer.
I said move!
And you, who are you?
I am his girlfriend.
Really?
Oh, please.
Girlfriend. I'll just go. Please, please leave my house. Leave my house.
Juliet, I'm so sorry. Please get me out of here.
I should get you out of here.
Yes.
You cheated on our relationship, our friendship that is not even up to 2 months. And you brought a girl into my grandmother's house. You know what? I don't ever want to see you in that house again. And return the phone I gave you last week. Return it!
Juliet, I said
Oh, and they make noise for you. What's be all this one? Keep quiet, Joe. Just they cause headache for me. You say what's your name? Get it one again.
Juliet. Don't make noise.
Officers. Now what Smally. Police are search today. You there everywhere. What did you do here?
Please, don't call me Smally. I am not Smally. And you should learn how to mind your business too.
Oh, no verse, Biggie. Officer, my name is Okechukwu. I'm here to see my younger brother, Ebukozo. I think they fought or something, I don't know.
Okay, you think the name?
Ebukozo.
Ebukozo.
Yes.
Even brother?
Yes.
Oh!
I'm his elder brother.
Oh, even brother. Okay, you're under arrest.
Eh?
Yes. Your brother punched my colleague for his face. He punched him very well, come wrong. And we have been looking for him. Now you are here. You go inside there now.
I don't understand.
Yes, that is it. When you get inside there, you will understand.
Is that how you walk and don't get me angry?
I say when you get inside there, you will understand.
Now me punch your colleague?
I said no, don't see him now.
Don't get me angry, sir.
Let's go inside.
If you try this thing outside, your head will bleed.
Do you want to fight the law?
The law is supposed to get sense now.
The law gets sense.
I am here to see my younger brother and you're telling me I'm under arrest. What offense did I do?
As you not forget your brother, I'll come get you. The law don't replace you. I have to go.
Let's say if you knew.
I said they go.
Let's say if you knew police.
If you resist arrest, it's another offense.
If you try this thing outside,
if you resist
the hospital is the match.
It's another offense. Like go inside.
I'm here to see my brother.
You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Okay. When you
Before we don't like me, who we help me? Who we help before we don't like me? My 2 sons. Oh, my 2 sons.
Stop crying.
Oh,
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying. Sorry. Hey, my dear. You said your name is Juliet. Yes. And my brother sent you to come and tell us this. Hey, God. Hey. What kind of life is this? Hey. Why is life treating my family this way? Hey. Just look at my mother. She has fallen ill again.
Is there no money for you people to bail him out?
There is no money in this house. If you start from the room anywhere, you will not see one cup. There is no money in this house at all. There is no money. Even the treatment of my injury was done on credit. Eh?
What happened to your eyes?
A guy called Pook in my school tried to harass me. In refusal, he punched my eyes.
I have heard that story. So it was you he attacked?
Yes. But that is the least of my worries right now. I'm worried about my brothers. They are my only brothers. What should I do? I don't know. Mama, what are we going to do? Sorry.
So sorry. Everything will be fine. You just calm down.
Thank you. Mama, stop crying. Stop crying. I know you're not feeling well. Stop crying. Sorry. Mama, it's okay.
I told them what you sent me. And your mother is sick. What about that woman that collected your keke? Why not call her?
Forget about that woman. Forget about her.
Can I take you out of here?
Can you?
Yes.
Please do.
Wait up, boy!
Wait there! No!
Wait there!
Which one? Which small boy? What are you looking for? Which small boy now? What do you want? What do you want? What are you looking for?
Hey! You don't get lost!
Which boy are you talking about? Is it Nemeka? God. Yes. Nemeka. Jesus, what is this? Nemeka, no. No, it can't be. Nemeka. Oh God. Nemeka. Jesus! Blood of Jesus! What did you say? What happened? Oh my God! What is it? Which hospital? Which hospital? What is it? Okay. Okay, I'll be on my way. Yeah, I'll be on my way right away. Okay. Oh my God! But what is it? Your father just had an accident. Jesus! Your father just had an accident. I told them to wait at the airport so I can pick them up. I don't know what happened. Oh my God! I don't know. Let's go to the hospital. Oh my God! Jesus! Oh.
Should I trust him? What if he fails to do what I want him to do? What if he's greedy and selfish? I thought I could trust Joseph, but he ended up being a womanizer. If Okechukwu can reject a sexual offer from his madam, then I think he's a good man. He can be trusted. But then, this is about wealth. It's about money, not sexual pleasure. God.
What's in your eye? Where, brother?
I told you at the police station. He was arrested this afternoon.
Eh? Arrested? Hi. What happened to your eye? What's in your head? Who do am?
Is it not Pookie?
Eh?
Pookie punched me in my eye.
Hey, that guy! You don't tell I said my sister?
Who doesn't know? He knows. He said that he cannot do anything.
Eh?
Yes. He even say next time he's going to rape me if I don't accept him.
Yeah. Saying go rape you?
Mm-hmm.
Pookie saying go rape you, my sister? Okay. No, Amara, that guy is dead in this village. I go kill him with my hand. In fact, wait, make I go look for him. Don't worry.
Wait, brother, wait. We heard that what happened? That you stabbed someone earlier today. Is it true?
See, Amara, don't worry. Where Mama?
Mama is in the hospital. Yes, she fainted this evening and was rushed to the hospital. I just came back home to collect some of her clothes to take to the hospital for her.
Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of wahala be this, Amara? Mama in the hospital and you say they arrested brother?
Yes, is it not what one girl came to tell us? We went to look for you now and I don't know what happened, man.
Hi. Okay, now Amara, I escaped from the police custody.
You escaped?
Amara, now you go and stay with your mind hospital. I go see you tomorrow morning. You hear me? Just go. Don't ask me. I need to look for this cookie this night. Amara, go stay with Mama.
Brother, wait! Wait, brother! Brother, wait! Cookie is dangerous, so hey, I'm telling you now.
Thank you very much for saving me. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate this. They were intimidating me at that police station.
You're welcome.
Brother. I appreciate it. Ebuka. Brother. Who did this to you? What happened?
We need to rush him to the hospital.
What? Please help me. Call Keke. Go. What's going on? What's all this now? Too much wahala everywhere. Ebuka. Just hold on, let me. You said you know the hear what? Eh? Dog. Yeah. Okay, Alpha. Please, what is the situation of things? Yes. We've been able to stabilize the situation right now.
And but an emergency surgery needs to be carried out on him as soon as possible, because we found some particles and pieces of bottles inside his stomach.
Emergency surgery?
Yes.
Okay, doctor. Like, how much are we supposed to raise for that?
Say 1.7 million.
Hey! Doctor, you said 1.7 million?
Yes.
That means you want us to die here now? Ebuka. Well, hi. Doctor, please. If you turn me upside down, you won't see that money. I don't even have anybody to borrow me such amount. Please.
Well, you have to understand one thing, that this is a private hospital. And I've done the much I could for you. Yes, I have. And it's not within my powers to, do what you seek. So you have to just raise the money and let's do this to save time. We don't have time on our side.
I can't watch my brother die.
Yeah.
And I don't have such amount. You are my last hope. I will run around to raise money, but 1.7 million is far, far away. Where will I start from?
But of course, you're still owing us from the last this. So you're still indebted to us. But there's nothing I can do. My hands are tied.
1.7 million.
Yes.
Hey! Oh, Chimo. Hi, doctor, please help me. Save my brother's life. I will raise the money. I will run around, but I don't have it now. Please.
I wish there's something I can do, but I can't help. At this time, there's something I can do.
Oh, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I did it just to take care of you.
Rebecca, why? Why? Is that why you're stealing from people? Why, Rebecca? What is it? Hey!
Oh, please, I'm sorry. Please,
hey! They will kill my only son just like that, Rebecca. You have to stop stealing. You have to stop stealing.
Okay, Mommy, I promise you from now on I will not steal again. Mommy, please. Please, I'm sorry. Mommy, please. Please. Mommy, please. Forgive me. Mommy, please.
So, madam, I'll give you 10,000 for this clothes.
Jesus. Madam, 10,000 naira. No, now, madam. See, look at this. This is a very good quality. You won't regret buying this. This wrapper is from 30,000 naira and above. Yes. See, just one of this wrapper is 30,000 naira. Seriously, madam, you won't regret it. Look at the quality now. It's
I can see it now. I know it's expensive. I know it's expensive. But you look fresh. Why?
Madam, please forget about me looking fresh. It's just so unfortunate that I lost my husband and things went south. Went south for me and my son. If not, will I be doing all of this? Madam, see this wrapper. It's just that I just need to set up my life. This wrapper is very, very, very. See, look at it. If you go to the market, I'm selling at a very affordable price for you. Look at, see, it's something that you will use for 20 years. You will not regret it.
Oh, okay. It's okay. You know what? Let's do it this way. I'll give you 15,000 naira.
Hey! 15,000 naira.
Yes. For one or for all of them. What is one? How can I buy one wrapper for 15,000?
Mommy, biko nuna. Look at quality.
My sister.
See, let me bring them out for you.
I know.
See, if you use this, you won't regret it. These wrappers are very expensive.
I've tried now. 15,000.
I can't sell it for that amount.
You know what? It's because of the situation you told me. That's why I even increased the money to 15,000. Things are somehow now in the community. Everything is somehow. So it's 15,000. Or if you don't want to sell 15,000, I can't kill myself now because I want to buy clothes now. It's because of the situation I explained to me. I want to help you.
Madam, I can't sell it for that amount.
Okay, my sister, don't be angry. Carry your clothes and go now. No problem. Don't.
Wait, come. Oh, please. Sorry.
I'm trying to help you. We are to help ourselves. Sisters, women helping women.
I understand, but this thing now, it's more than that amount though.
My sister.
You use it and use it.
Forget about the using. 15,000. No. I want to help you. This suffering is too much. I cannot be suffering like this. Okay, let's go to my house. Let's go so I give you the money.
It's okay.
It's okay, my sister. Everything will be okay.
Are we cursed or what? Why is hardship, pain and sorrow sleeping and waking up with me? Why? My father died without any single land left for us. How do I even raise money for the medical bills? Lord, do not allow me to wallow and die in poverty. Or should I just meet Dorothy? But I have vowed never to sleep with a married woman. God, I'm talking about my mother here. Help me wipe out this shame.
Why is your face like that? Are you a baby?
Madam, I was told that sleeping with married women brings bad luck. I can't do this with you, please.
That means you don't want the keke back.
I want my keke back, but not at the expense of my destiny. Madam, you are married with kids. Your husband is still alive. Where I come from, what we believe in forbids that. I can't be doing that, please. It's like bringing death upon my destiny. Look for another condition, I will do whatever you want. But remove this sleeping with you, please. Please.
Okay, Chiku, that is why I called you here. Yes, you can go home and think about it.
There is nothing to think about. Just change the condition.
Okay, Chiku. My husband is in Ghana, and I'm here with you in this village. Okay, Chiku, see, we can run things together. I'm telling you, you like it.
Madam, please. I can't. Please.
Are you a baby? Why are you doing like you're not a man? What's your problem? Okay, Chiku, let's do this thing together.
My love, what are you doing here? I thought I told you I will be coming to see you this evening. I'm not in the mood to discuss anything now. I'm stressed out.
Chiku.
You even called me by my name.
Is okay, Chiku not your name again? And I beg, open my door and make me come up for this place, I beg. You don't fear anybody for you. Talk, Joe.
It's about Stanley.
Is he dead?
He proposed to me and
she accepted. Okay, Chiku, it's obvious you don't have money to take care of my friend. You're wasting my friend's time. So the right man is in the picture. It's better you just give way, I beg. Give way. Ruth, let's leave.
Baby, is this some kind of joke or prank?
Prank,
look, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You'll get
Let's leave this place now.
You'll get a wife that is as good as I am. But right now...
Are you leaving me for another man?
Let's leave now.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It has to end this way. I believe you're going to find a good wife that will fit you.
Who's looking for another wife?
I'm sorry. Okay, Chuku, I'm sorry, please.
What are you saying?
It has to be like that.
Do you want to throw away everything we shared? My 4 years affair? God forbid. Baby. Hello, madam. Yes, I'm fine. It's me, Okechukwu. I want to go and see you.
Okechukwu, why do you want to see me? I don't have all day, okay? Go straight to the point. What? Are you serious? You accepted what we discussed? Good boy. That's nice. Yes, now you're talking. You know that hotel now? Yes, I'm there already, waiting for you. All right, I'll be waiting. Aga, come on, be going.
Why?
Why? You didn't ask me why. Because now you pay for this hotel room. When you ask me why. I have a client coming, okay? Dress up and leave.
Okay, I will leave. But I know you'll find me.
I know you'll find me. Okay, call your account number. Call your account number and hey, you see this thing that happened here today? Let it be the end of us. And no one here say person, another person hear this matter. You hear me so? I don't know you, you don't know me. 62,
39
39
77
77.
What are you doing here? Talk now. I don't have all day. I have an appointment.
Should I follow you?
No. It's an adult meeting.
You need money. And you want to sleep with your madam for it.
Who are you? How did you know?
Well, I just guess. I have gifts for guessing things. I am not possessed. My grandmother has the same gift too.
Hey. Okay, now that you have guessed right, do you have a solution to the problem?
Yes. Can you follow me to my grandmother's house?
Waiting to happen for there. But they share money there.
I have something that will stop your pain and misery if you follow me. But if you don't, the pains will still be there.
This is just 20 minutes drive. What's going on? I know he's coming. Hi! Okay, Oma. Okay, Chuku. Hi! God. My dream of chopping Okechuku has come to pass. God, what I've been longing for. What I've been praying for. My crush. I've been crushing on this Okenwa since I got married to this village. Matagi kahaki makachi. Matagi taoy ozo yatagi. Hey, Okenwa. If you just come like this, I'll just spread the leg. Okay, baby. Hey! Okay, wow. I can't wait to devour you. I will tear you to pieces. I will show you what I'm made of. Whatever. Hello, happy girl. How are you? I will not be coming back today, okay? Yes. So I want you to take care of these kids for me. I want you to bathe them, feed them, and lock everywhere. Okay? Yes. In case my father-in-law asks about me, tell him I'm already sleeping, okay? Yes. I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright. Alright, bye. I'm just... Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Hey! Okay, okay, Chuku, my crush.
How much do you have in your pocket, your account and everywhere?
1,500 naira. That's my last card.
You said the truth.
How did you know that? Are you a magician? A seer?
No. Look, I want to teach you the secret of wealth. You will become very rich if you do what I'm about to tell you with your last card, your last money.
Children don't they do yahoo yahoo? Listen, if your format is talking towards collecting my last card, it won't work. So don't even go there. Don't waste your time, okay? I will not give you this money.
I don't want your money, and I'm bigger than that. Yes. See what I want you to do. I want you to share your money to beggars. Give it to them.
You're mad. As what? Pastor Chris, I'll be waiting. I don't get that kind of church mind. Why I go share my last card to beggars? Thank God I'm not taking your water. As what now? Pastor Chris or what? I'm not that nice, please.
Where are you going to?
I am not your mate. Stop wasting my time. I have somewhere important to be. I thought you called me here to help me. I have to share my last card to beggars as for the Christmas. I want to meet you here.
This guy not taking his call. Let this boy not prank me this evening, no. Because my body is already standing for him. Eh? Why is he not taking his call? I thought he said he's on his way to this hotel. Okay, Chukwu, you said you are coming now. Eh? Don't keep my body standing.
Why did Juliet ask me to give beggars my last card? The only money that I have with me. What will I use then in buying food for Mama and Ebuka? Even Amara, my sister, has not eaten anything. God.
The MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Switched off? How? How now? How can your number be switched off, Okechukwu? Eh? And I've been here drinking since. Getting high. Okechukwu, don't do this to me. Your number cannot be switched off. Eh?
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Hey. Hey, Okechukwu.
Yaganwa, I have done as you instructed. I shared my last card to beggars. What next?
It's a lie.
Look me well. I know they lie. I have no reason to lie. I don't lie, no matter this. I've done what you asked me to do now. Stop making me talk too much.
I know you have given the money to the beggars.
How did you know? Why are you acting like a mysterious girl? How did you know?
I followed you. I was behind you. I know you gave the money to 3 beggars. Though you wanted to keep some for yourself.
How did you know that, by the way? You said if I share my last card to beggars, that I will become rich within 24 hours. You said that that's the secret of wealth. I've done that. So what next?
Go and sit down there and wait for me.
Yeah. Stop ordering me around. No matter what, I am not your mate. Respect me. Stop ordering me around.
Okay, Shuku, go and sit there.
Don't you know I'm old enough to be your father? You're ordering me around. Anyway, no problem. If this is no work, okay. What is this?
The box of wealth. I don't know the mystery behind this. It works for my grandfather, my father. It works.
How?
Please, do not ask me so many questions. I may not have answers to them. Please promise me that if this box finally makes you rich that you have whatever you desire, that you will not break the rules.
I hope this is not abracadabra. I just hope.
No. Get a bag, any size of your choice. Put this golden box inside the bag and keep it in the room. Do not sleep in that room. Return the next morning and you'll be amazed. Do not be carried away. I repeat, do not be carried away.
Okay.
You have to promise me to obey the rules.
What rules?
Rules of wealth. You will always give to the poor in order to continue being rich. You must return this golden box to me if I demand for it, or you will give it to whomever I want you to give it.
Failure to do so.
You will become 10 times poorer. Your life will be miserable. And this mystery box will no longer be under your roof. So please promise me.
Okay. I will obey the rules. I will.
Promise.
Good afternoon.
Ngwa, come and eat. Where did you go to? I know you must be very hungry.
Mama, I want to see a friend.
You went to see who? A friend? Where?
Mom, somewhere, but Mom, I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
What do you mean you are not hungry? You haven't eaten anything since morning. Come and eat, my friend. Which one is you're not hungry?
See, Mom, see, I don't want to eat. See, Mom, please, when am I going back to school?
Don't worry. You know I just started this business. Oh, when I make some money, I'll take you back to school. You will go back to school. Oh, please.
Mom, see me, I want to go back to school.
Come and eat. Don't worry. You will go to school. By the time I
want
make
to go back to school.
Yeah, where are you going to? Come and eat your food now. Can you imagine? Eh? This boy.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this potty you just placed in front of me? Do I look hungry to you?
Okay, landlord, I'm just giving you the food so that you can eat.
Why not give me that inner food? That inner food is what I desire. Give it to me and then I'll be fine. Why are you so being stingy with this thing? Give this thing to me. Eh? You think my wife does not cook for me? Oh, you now see me as someone who goes about eating anyhow. Give me that food on your waist. That food on your waist is what I want.
Hey.
My being moody is because you have refused to give me that thing.
Oh, landlord, please. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm still mourning my husband. Because
you can't give it to me.
I can't.
Are you the first woman to mourn her dead husband? Your husband died, leaving this thing for people like us. So you must give it to me. Are you listening to me? You must give it to me. Oh, I now get it. Just because you now have money to run your business, you now have the audacity to talk back at me when I talk. No single respect. You will leave my house and go to where that will shield you. We cannot have two captains in the same ship. I have made my point. Consider it done. If you agree right now, everything will be fine. But refuse her to give that thing to me.
Landlord, I can't. I can't. I cannot give it to you now. What is it? Why are men like this? What kind of thing is this? I don't like this thing that is happening though. Oh, I don't understand what is happening. I should give you this thing. For what? Is it good?
Amarachi.
Mama, you're weak. Thank God.
Where is Okechukwu, your eldest brother?
Mama, he left the hospital a few hours ago. Yes, the doctor asked him to bring 1.7 million for his surgery.
Oh.
And for it, nothing.
And what?
And nothing, Mama, nothing. Yes, I think he left to go and look for the money.
Where is Ebuka?
He's fine. He's fine. He's fine.
Amarachukwu.
Yes, Mama.
I don't think I will make it.
God forbid.
The pain is becoming so severe. Where is your brother going to get that kind of money? It's too much.
Mama, I know. But God have never forsaken us. He'll provide. You just need to stop. You will not die. Stop saying negative things. You will not die, please. You will not die. Yeah, Mama?
I don't want to die, Amarachi.
Mama, you will not die. Yeah? Sorry. Just Mama?
Yes, if your brother is not here by tomorrow, then I'm afraid your mother does not stand a chance to make it.
Hey, doctor. Doctor, why now?
Because she's losing blood and the illness is gradually, weighing her down because of the pain. Yeah.
Hey, God. Doctor, please. Just help us.
And your brother too.
Yeah, he actually went to look for the money. My mother went to look for the money. Please, just help us. And I'm fine for my brother. I don't want my mom to know about that for now.
That's not a problem. That's not a problem. We just have to find the money so that we can carry out an operation on both of them with immediate effect.
Oh God. I don't even know what to do with the doctor. Please. You have been helping us. Just continue this one. I don't want my brother and my mother to die. Look for the money, I will pay you.
I wish there is much I can do for you, but my hands are tight. Of course, this is a private hospital and there is nothing much I can do for you.
Hey, doctor, are you planning to say you cannot do anything for me?
I didn't say so. What I'm saying is you guys should go and look for the money so that
we are looking for it now, doctor. Please, we are looking for it. Please, I believe God will do it. My mother will see money. I will pay, but please just first start treating them so that nothing will happen to them, please.
My dear, like I said, I wish there is much I can do. But right now, my hands are tied.
Hello, Juliet. I've done as you instructed. The box is now in a bag. Listen, are you sure this pen will work? Because I don't, it's hard to believe. Okay, now, we'll look at you. I appreciate. You're begging him.
I'm standing, please, come and go. Just go.
That's interesting. I have warned you to stay away from my woman. What is your problem? Money is not everything, no.
See, Okechukwu, let me tell you, you see Ruth here? Ruth, I will prove to you that Ruth is going to be my wife. In fact, it's not going to take too long.
Very soon, you should be ashamed of yourself. Because you scammed Oyibo, came back with dirty money. Instead of you to be doing charity and know whether God will forgive you, you are here dragging my woman. Be careful with me. Stay away from this woman.
Then you should go and make your own money now. See, as for Ruth, she's going to be my wife and nothing you can do about it.
I'll show you say we were the village, eh? You get why we be village boys. No, wait. I will show you say that we get this village.
Inside the car. Come on, just go.
Brother, if I see ritual, I go do ritual.
Okay.
I go do ritual, Mama.
Ebuka, shut up.
Mama, no go shut up.
You will not do any ritual. How could you say a thing like that?
Mama, I see you now. You do your medication, you take Gary before you take your drugs.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter, Mama.
Gary is food.
Which no be this kind of food we want chop for this house. No be this kind of food. Which kind of poverty be this?
Brother, I heard Auntie Dorothy want to give you keke so that you'll be driving for her.
I will slap you now. Now keke you want me to drive, Abi? Keke?
Is keke not something?
Mama, it's not something. It's not something. No be waiting we want make it they do be this. Keke, you walk it, you go drive keke. For time, maybe we see you.
Okay, where are you going?
Another job as well. If you must do ritual, use yourself. Tell me your mother, your nonna.
No. Did you say the woman?
Yes. She said I should come and take the keke tomorrow.
Oh, I'm so happy. That's so nice of her. I had a dream. Yes. And in that dream, you were so rich. You became so rich in that dream.
It happened.
I know it will really come to pass. But my son, do not be greedy. Learn to return thanksgiving. Do not forget all those that helped to lift you up. That's just the secret of wealth. My son, please. Do not forget this thing I'm telling you now. Even if I'm no more tomorrow, do not forget it. It will help you in life. I know one. Okay.
go and check the bag.
But you said 24 hours.
It's morning already.
I'm rich! I'm rich! I'm rich!
Congratulations. You are now a worthy man.
Landlord is showing our things outside.
Eh? Our things?
I'm pretty
He's
sure.
throwing it away.
Yes.
It's a lie. Can't be possible.
I'm pretty sure of it. See him and some guys. They're just scratching the house and throwing our belongings outside.
Can you imagine? Go, just go. Let me rush down. Make sure you take care of this place.
Yes.
Let me go.
Okay, I'm coming. Huh?
Can't you see her?
What is she doing in this village? Eh? Is this her father's land?
Do I know? Do I know? She's not even from here.
So what about her son?
I don't know. That one should be dead by now. I don't know their whereabouts and I don't want to know. I don't care. Why are you even asking me as if I should be monitoring them?
Look at that. Nonsense woman. Eh? Evil woman. We'll deal with that.
Yes, now. Yes, now. Just be staying in this village as if
this is her father's land.
As if this is her father's land.
We'll make sure we'll send her back.
Yes,
now. I don't want to be seeing her again. She's annoying me.
Very nonsense.
Her presence is just like it's like a threat to us.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, please. Please, I will give you money. Please, I have money.
Useful to me in this.
I have money. I will give you money.
I don't need
please.
your money. Your money I don't need. Do I look broke to you? Give me this thing. Why you been stingy with it? Give it to me.
Sir,
take your money and go elsewhere. I don't want you anymore in this house.
At least you would have given me notice than taking me on away. Why are you doing this to me? Biko.
I have helped you. You know very well I have been so helpful to you. It is time for you to reciprocate back. This thing is what I want. Give it to me. You prefer to go out there and start giving it to those stupid low-life boys out there on the street. Why can't you give it to me?
Sir, I can never give it to you.
Oh.
Yes, I can't give it to you,
You
sir.
can't give it to me.
Pity me now. I'm a poor widow, please.
You can't give it to me.
Sir, I cannot. I can't give it to you.
You prefer to give it to those boys out there on the street, but you can't give me, your landlord. I am done pitying you.
Sir, please,
okay?
Please.
You are leaving this house this minute. I have locked the door. You can see the key with me. If you have a change of mind now, I will return the key back to you, and then you can take your things inside the house. You will stay here. Rain will beat you, sun will beat you, and there will be nobody to take you in. Stupid idiot. You can't give it to me.
Because
you cannot do it.
Me poor widow. Sir, I'm begging you. Sir, why you doing this to me? Sir, why you doing this to me? I'm a poor widow. God, I'm tired. Why is this happening to me? God, what is this now? What is it? Hey! God, what do I do now? Hey, Chico. Hey, it's not fair. It's not fair. Hey. Cannot do this.
Hello? I want that woman to evacuate her things from the position she's doing her business. Yes. Hey, don't say anything. Do exactly what I want. I don't want her there. Let her evacuate her things from that place. Listen, don't argue with me. Do exactly what I want. Send her out of that place. She's a witch. She's a thief, she's a prostitute, all in one. Of what use is she to me? Good. Do it, and then I'll see you later. And when you finish, you come and see me. What kind of rubbish is this? What kind of man does she think I am? She thinks I'm a fool that she can just toss around with. Let's see who's more powerful now. Nonsense.
God, look at me. God, look at me. Oh, look at me. God, look at me. Look at what my late husband's brother, Kalu Anobi, has taught me into. God, look at me. Look at me, God. Why? Why me? God. Once a landlady living in this kind of place. God, why? Where do I go to? What do I do? God. God, look at me. Oh, look at me. I'm calling on you, God. I'm calling on you, God. God, you have to do something because I'm tired. I'm tired. Where do I put my head? Where do I go from here? God, how do I cope with Nemeka, my son? God, look at me. Look at me, God. Look at me. God, look at me. God, help me. I'm tired. I'm tired of this suffering. I'm tired.
Hello? Yeah, hello, who's this? Okay, how did you get my number? Yeah? What's your name? Duke. Okay. How did you get my number? Oh. Oh, okay, I see. You're one of my husband's tenants. Why haven't you paid your rent? Alright. I hope in 6 months' time you're gonna pay your rent. Please, you have to, please. Don't worry, I'll talk to my husband. Alright, it's fine. Thank you.
God, I was once a landlady, and look at where I'm living now. God, God, I'm tired. Look at me, God. God, look at me, God. Where do I put my head now? Where do I go?
Emeka, go, Emeka!
Madam, no verse. You see any small boy wearing school uniform, just run this way, just this way.
Small boy wearing uniform?
Yes.
No, I did not see any small boy.
Madam, no be you know I did not see any small boy. You dey sure of wetin you dey talk? You dey sure of wetin you dey talk because the guy follow this way now.
Will I be lying to you? I said I did not see any small boy now. Eh?
Guy, bye, yawa. Boy, just go catch him.
Let's go. No be say, may we go. May we follow this way so I go fit see this guy now. We fit see this guy if we waka this way now, abeg. Yeah? No go. Madam, dey sure this you tell us, so no use us play, oh.
Small boy wearing uniform. I see any small boy.
Hey!
No!
I said it! Okay, one. I knew you will make it. I knew you will make it in life. Hey! Chineke kele the reggae.
Hello? Hello? Number 1!
Mama.
Number 1, no be guy name, now doings. Now no say you be man, now you be man. Number 1!
Yes.
You be man.
Yes.
Hey!
I said it.
Don't make noise.
Can I call our
knew you will
neighbors?
make it.
This neighborhood know the right noise.
Hey!
What is happening?
You can see
Mama,
yourself
now
everywhere.
it's
You can see yourself everywhere.
Okay, what is happening? Mama, it's okay, let's go.
You can see yourself everywhere.
They don't like noise.
Don't make noise. I told you that you will make it. Hey, what? I'm on the mirror. Hey! I see myself every day. Yes, it's my Hey! Mama, one day he will go to
Oga, I think say I don't pay for this place. If you think say I dey like, make I show you receipt. I don't pay. Why you dey pursue me comot?
You don't pay for this place.
Yes.
And you get receipt.
Yes.
So you want to teach me my work. So now you want tell me wetin I go do, abi?
No, I no dey teach you.
No, that is it. Now wetin you dey do be that now?
Oga, pity me. I'm a poor widow. Now let me dey take care of my
Which kind poor widow be that? See, pack this thing comot for you if you want say anything. If you know wetin good for you, if you know wetin good for you, just carry this thing. Comot for here.
Oga, abeg, no be only me dey here. Na other people still dey here.
I no understand.
I dey beg you.
I no understand.
Oga,
You dey tell me say other people dey here. Oya, come carry this thing.
Touch my thing.
Carry this thing comot for here. Carry everything. Now you want to teach me my work. Now you want to teach me my work, abi? Aya, come dey go. I no want see you for here again. I no want see you here again. Make they hear me. Carry everything they come for here. They come on. Carry everything they come on. I no want see you here again. What? You must come up for here.
Mama, I hope you all like it.
You fine, sir? Hi. That's very.
Are you still asking?
Listen, I'm warning you.
Okay.
If you spoil or break anything here, I will keep that you have my blood aside and beat the hell out of you. Be careful around here.
Number 1!
Finally, no noise around this vicinity.
Number 1. I want to make noise.
Mama, what God has done in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen!
Hey.
What God did in our lives shall remain permanent.
Amen!
As we have started eating on top dining, we shall never go back to floor.
Amen! Oh,
no, whoa.
Number 1, I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise.
Don't be here.
They will arrest you.
We have governors, commissioners, billionaires around here. Don't just.
Oh, man,
hey! It's okay. Sorry, sir. I feel like making.
I have arrived.
Number 1, leave.
Mama, you have been disconnected from poverty forever.
Amen!
Say bye-bye to poverty.
Obiam,
I say poverty, bye-bye.
Obiam, bye-bye.
From now, you'll be eating only organic foods.
Bagam.
Number 1. Anything where they break on top is not for you.
Yeah, what?
They prepare your food, you eat it fresh, okay?
Yes.
Organic food. Let me call someone to bring something for us.
Thank you. Okay.
No! I feel like making noise and you say they don't make noise here. What is happening?
Thunder, fire, poverty. Yes, thunder, fire, poverty. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. Shut up. Make it first before saying that nonsense. Look at my cars. Look at my house. My family members are happy. See organic settings now. Environment, they give joy. Atmosphere is soft. Look at my cars. Look at my home. Oh, Juliet. Juliet, you are God sent. Juliet, you are the secret of wealth. You changed my life. I am now rich. Thunder, fire, poverty. Thunder, fire, poverty. Thunder, fire, poverty. Let me talk about. So that's the environment they give joy. I don't even want it if it is not everything. Money is nearly everything. See organic joy, man.
The food is so delicious.
Mama, just look at us. We are eating on top of the dining table. Even you, brother Ibuka, you're using a glass cup to drink water. Who will ever believe that this will be yours today? Look at my brother's house now. Better don't go and buy your own house. So let me have 2 hours. I'll be going
My
to
friend, will you shut up? See, village girl and the form posh.
Who is a village
so
girl?
you know glass cup.
I don't understand. Does this hair look like a village girl's hair? Eh? Mama, tell brother Ibuka, I'm not a village girl. I'm a big girl.
Amara, Ebuka, please, you people should allow me to enjoy this meal in peace. Because, did you hear me now?
Mama, is it true that Brother Okechukwu wants to take us abroad?
Eat your food. Dear Rigi.
All of a sudden, he's on money, swimming on cash, poverty bye bye, chopping money, spending money. There is no mercy for cash, no digger.
Give me my keys. I said you should give me my keys. Give me my keys. I said you should give me my keys. Are you okay?
Now you give me the key. Why I give you the key? Why I go give you the key?
Are you a madman? What is your problem? You cannot turn up for me. You are a thief. Did my husband born this keke for you? Eh?
Madam, the last time I checked, now your husband come for phone, no, say make I come carry the drive. I don't know why you come to drive the keke with me. See, like this now, I am not answerable to you. I don't fit give you this key. I don't fit.
You are not answerable to me.
Yes.
I will tell you that I am the real owner of this keke.
I know if you give
You will give me that keys right here and now.
Here.
I said give me my key, you Chris. Oh yeah, give me my key. Okay, give me my key, you Chris. Are you mad?
I don't give you.
I don't
give you.
Did my husband
I'm not
for
gonna
you?
give you.
Are you stupid?
You give me key.
I said you should give me my keys. Are you mad?
Leave my clothes too.
Are you stupid?
I go beat you.
You go beat who?
Madam, now because
they never born you well.
Yeah, now because of the woman, no, now you making the leave you. Now because
They
of the
never
woman,
born. I go carry you up,
leave my
for ground. Give me my keys.
You see this key, I
You're a
don't fit
madman.
I don't fit give you this.
And I will tell you that I'm a madman.
I leave my
Give me my
keys.
keys.
I don't give you because of the woman. I go beat you. I go beat you. I go beat you here. I go beat you.
You don't fit to me anything.
Dorothy.
You're stupid.
Are you still like this? So you never change? Huh?
Okay.
Why are you embarrassing this young?
Okay, Is this you?
No, it's my shadow.
Hey.
Enjoy your moment of surprise. My guy, what's up now? Why should I harass you?
Nah, see me wahala. I do my own. No, this woman come there abuse me anyhow. Now husband carry keke give me, make her the drive. You get? This woman come collect the keke from my hand. I don't understand.
Because you refused to sleep with her, Abi?
Why they know?
I've been there now.
God bless you. Now the problem is this. It don't finish. Nothing to.
Listen, sleeping with married women destroys destiny spiritually.
I'm a married man. I'm not
So don't even succumb to that nonsense.
Okay, I don't like this thing you are saying. Come, you are going to give me. Give my key.
Take care, beg. Sort yourself, eh?
You're a stupid madman. How can you?
Thank you, sir.
You're a
God bless
madman.
you. Thank you. Take your key. Take your key. Come on. God bless you.
Okay.
All of a sudden, he's on money, swimming on cash, poverty bye bye, chopping money, spending money. There's no mercy for cash, no digger, chopping money, spending money. There's no mercy for cash, no digger. Your money's bigger, it's larger.
I didn't do all of that for you to come and help me or show appreciation. I am happy for you.
Yes, but you did something special for me. Consider the months I come and appreciate. Do you know what you did for me? You disconnected me from poverty. I was even thinking, I want to be taking care of you until you are ready and set for marriage, then I'll marry you.
No, you don't need to. I am not ready. You see, all I want you to do is to continue helping the poor, giving alms. That is all I want you to do.
But I can wait. I didn't say I'm getting married to you. I want to be taking care of you till you're ready.
One more thing.
Which is?
The golden box.
What about it?
I want you to give it to another person. I have listened to her story, and it was so sad. She is homeless, helpless, and shattered. Her husband brother collected everything from her and kicked her and her only son out. She's struggling, pushing so hard to survive. But life and people has been so cruel on her. She used to be a wealthy woman, wife and mother. But everything changed ever since her husband died. So you hand the golden box to her. Yes, you have to give it to her. It will remain with her.
Why?
It's not yours.
Yes, it's not mine, but I can help this woman. I can give her money, I can upgrade her, not giving her the golden box.
No, I don't want you to help her. I want you to give her the golden box. Yes, you will give it to her and tell her how to use it so that she can bounce back and become 10 times richer than her former self. So that her son can stop stealing and the curse will be broken.
Do you want her to be richer than me?
You're not competing with her.
This is going to be difficult.
Okay, Chuku. You're not sleeping.
Mama, you have nothing to worry about, okay? It's just business pressure.
Okay, Chukwu, I know you. You are my son. I know when you are worried. I know everything is not fine with you.
I'm not denying the fact that I'm not worried. But it's not something you should bother yourself about.
Are you
it's
sure?
Business. I'm just trying to sort one or two with my agents. Okay. Even if I tell you the problem, will you go to China and sort it out for me?
No, to the extent that your favorite food I kept for you, you did not touch it at all.
Mama, I ate outside before coming. Listen, don't worry yourself, okay? I'm not a baby now. I'll be fine. Will you do the business for me? It's business pressure, don't worry.
No, but then I know that you're worried. You don't want to tell me the truth.
Go to bed. I'm fine, okay?
Are you sure?
Trust me. I'm okay. I'm fine. Okay, let me smile for you. Go to bed, I'm okay. I'm smiling, I'm okay. Oh, pray and go to bed, okay? It's well, even in the well.
Are you for real? My sister, I am telling you the honest truth. Do you know, as I'm talking to you right now, Ruth is in her father's house. Even the husband is nowhere to be found. Nowhere.
I heard you ran mad since you could not be able to bring wood for sacrifice. Wonder shall never end.
My dear, Obi, I warned Ruth. I told her to stay and believe that Okechukwu will make it. But she didn't listen to me. Now she's 2 months pregnant already.
You don't mean it.
I am telling you the truth. Ruth doesn't listen to me. You know you're very far now. She's very close to me, so I know the whole story. I mean, everything.
Hey, love, my baby, sugar.
See you now. See you. Turn around. Let me see. Hello. Again. What is happening?
Okay,
How you doing? I'm alright. I'm alright.
I'm fine.
So let's have a drive around town. Let's paint the town red, blue, black.
You don't mean it.
I want to spend some money on you, please. Get into the car. Get into the car.
Ebu, can I at least join you guys, even if it is just one plate of the soup? You no go bad now. Just one plate, Ofu.
As who? Like my grandfather's girlfriend? Excuse me.
I beg, don't spoil show for me.
Who be this rat, man? I follow you talking, they mad. Ebu. Hey! Jesus, wonder shall never end. Who could believe that Okechukwu will become this rich? Hi! Hi, fuck off,
Okay. I'll see you what you have done. Let's settle this matter. I will make her rich. I will give her enough money. In fact, I will establish her. Okay? Forget about it.
I did not ask you to give her money. I said you should give her the golden box. Remember you promised me to be obedient and loyal.
You've not even told me. What is the mystery behind that box?
It's none of your business. You don't have to ask me. Okay, Shuko, do not make me angry.
Listen, that box is too big for that woman. She can't handle it. Let me establish her. Let me just give her money and discharge her now.
Okay, Shuko. You should be concerned why I want you to give that woman that golden box. Why I want the golden box to be with that woman forever. Okay, Shuko, do not be greedy and selfish. Give that woman that golden box and tell her what to do so that she will become rich.
I'm not being greedy, just that. How can I give? I'm finding it difficult. I can't give that box to anybody. Talk more of that woman. It's not my own now.
Okay, Shuku.
Okay, Chuku.
No. Where you there? I get a job for you, link up. I get job for you, link up.
Hello, boss. Yes, boss. Boss, I don't search for that girl everywhere. I no see her. I don't even go her school. I don't check, ask questions. They say they don't see her.
The little girl now want me see. I want her dead at all cost. She's becoming a thorn on my flesh. Listen, go to the village square, village market, village school. Track her down. I just want to hear that she's dead.
Boss, I'm not sure say that girl na human being. No. I mean, she is not always around.
No excuses. I want her dead at all cost. Capiche?
Okay, boss. Yes, boss.
What kind of girl is this? What kind of girl is this? What is it? What is it?
I'm on my way to the embassy. From there, I intend to go to the village to get the papers you asked for.
Okay. Enjoy.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay. How long are we staying in Dubai?
As long as you guys want.
Okay.
Can you now go? What's your problem
sorry.
now?
Sorry. Brother, are you sure you are fine?
Boss, are you sure that girl is human?
What do you mean by, are you sure this girl is human?
I can't find her. And she's not always around.
Slum.
Yes, boss.
You are a professional. Yes. This is your job. I want that girl dead at all cost. Stop telling me stories.
I'm sorry, boss. You know I'm a professional in this game. This time around, I'll get her done.
Which year? Even they made Nahum.
Boss, I promise I will get her done today.
Kill her at all cost.
Yes, boss.
Result! Give me result! Results, not excuses.
If I were you, Okechukwu, I will do what the little girl says.
This is township, you don't advise people. If I tell you how much that box gives me on a daily basis, you will leave this job. In fact, you will drag that box with me.
What did you want me to do for you, Okechukwu?
I want that box permanently. Kill Juliet for me. I can't give out something that gives me money every day.
But it will cost you fortune.
Okay, name your price. My app, they work.
Osaku Sariogu Magana. Oriogu Magana. Osaku Sariogu Magana. The great Ikenga. The great Ikenga. Ekene kekono rekene afekene nkwa.
Okechukwu, do not dare me. Do not dare me. Because you will regret your life if you do. Do not dare me.
All of a sudden, he's on money, swimming on cash, poverty bye bye, chopping money, spending money. There's no mercy for cash, not the girl, chopping money, spending money.
Ebu's man. Ebu. Ebu, I'm happy to see you. Eh? Look at you. How are you doing today?
I'm alright. So, what is it? Why did you stop me?
Okay. Ibu, I wanted to see you. I've been searching for you everywhere. I couldn't find you, but I'm happy to see you today. I actually want to see you. I know I've wronged your family, and I'm here to talk about it.
Alright, my time is very short, yeah? My time is very short. I'm very busy. I'm running somewhere. So, go straight to the point. What exactly do you want? Why did you stop me?
I actually come. I'm sorry. I'm here to plead for you to help me with your brother's number. I've searched for him everywhere. I couldn't find him. I need to speak to him about something. I just need his contact. Please. Ebu. Who come?
See how shameless you are. Did you hear yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Huh?
Married woman. Why are you asking for my brother's number? I thought you were married.
No. It was a mistake. That's why I needed to see him to explain to him.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
not married.
okay.
I'm single.
Okay, done. Right.
I'm
Okay, it's okay.
searching.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm
Please.
searching.
It's okay, please. Just so I remind you, let today be the first and the last. You would stop me, ask for my brother's number, or go to meet anyone to ask for his contact. Please, keep your distance from us.
Hey, Ebi, it hasn't gotten to this. I know you're angry with me. Just his contact. Who come?
So see yourself now. How do you feel? Shameless.
Ebi.
It's larger, always know you can't spend it alone. Chopping money, spending money. There's no mercy for cash, not the gold. Your money's bigger, it's larger. Always know you can't spend it. Cause it's alone, that is bigger.
Please, I take God beg you. Please, don't blame me for anything.
I only advised you as a friend because I know he has money. I can take care of you. Please don't try it, I beg. Because
advisor, I can see the way your mouth is sharpening. You know you wanted to use me for money rituals, right?
And what if he doesn't? What if he doesn't use you for money rituals? Tell me, what if he doesn't use you? Stop disturbing me, please. You're disturbing my peace. I don't like it.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
I blamed you for everything. I regret ever listening to you.
You blame me for everything?
Yes.
Oh, that's so simple. Then live my life alone and go. Stop following me and be talking like parrot. I don't like it. Biko. Stop following me. Now it's okay. Go your way. Let me go my way.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, brought by force.
You know what? I will shock you. I'm going to shock you. Mark my words. I will reconcile with Okechukwu. Yes.
Oh, bravo.
Very, very soon.
And that's none of my business. It's none of my business. So you go ahead and do it.
You're a bad friend. You're a deceiver. I regret ever coming in contact with you.
Oh, really? Ever? So now you realize I'm a bad friend?
Yes, you are.
Wow. Did you not have feelings for him? Were you not the one that told me he kissed you and you fell for it? Were you not the one that told me he gave your parents money? Your father, your mother, and everybody in your family? Did you give me any? Did you give me any, Ruth? Please, I take God beg you. Don't disturb my life, please.
You asked me to kiss him. Are you not the one that asked me to kiss him the first time?
No, go and fall inside fire
yes,
now.
No, come back here. That is why you keep remaining single.
Don't speak on my body.
No boyfriend at all.
Don't speak on my body.
No man at all.
No,
tell me. Look at you.
I will give you money. I want to help you. But at the same time, I would want you to use this money well. Yes. Help your son, Nemeka. Just sort yourself, basically, okay? Take.
Sir, thank you. But I cannot accept this, please.
Why?
Sir, I know I need money. I know I'm desperate, I'm homeless. You know, I'm desperate, I need financial assistance. But my spirit does not accept you. Please, sir, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, but please, I don't need your money. I don't know you too well. I don't know why you're doing this. I don't even know if you're my late husband's friend that I don't know, or his brother sent you to me. I don't know.
No, listen, don't get me wrong, okay? I'm just a businessman and a philanthropist. I help people a lot. I don't like seeing people in pain. You need this money. I know your son's condition. So don't abuse my help, okay? I'm just trying to assist you because of the kind of person I am. So take this money, okay?
Sure, you're a good man, but please, I can't take this. I cannot, please.
Are you a beggar with choice? You need money. Take money now.
Sir, please, I don't need your money. I'll be on my way, please. I don't need your money. People, just carry your money and go. I don't need it.
You want to become the first beggar with choice. Madam!
your son. They are burning your son alive.
Who's
that going?
Where?
I don't know. Stop asking questions. Oh, yeah. Maraga, okay.
All right,
Taya!
How did you get in here?
You are hurting me. You are breaking my heart. Why are you doing this? Why are you being so quick in forgetting your promises? Why? You are living a great life. You are enjoying the wealth belonging to me. My destiny. Why are you so greedy? Why are you making things so difficult and hard? Why? Men can never be trusted. Okay, Shuku, let me have my golden box.
Juliet, calm down. I know I'm being greedy. It's not easy to return that box. When you get an banana, so please, let's do it this way, okay? I will be giving that woman 2 million naira every month.
I refuse that. You will give her the golden box.
I won't. I won't give it to her.
I thought I could trust you. Now let me have my golden box.
Why are you being stubborn? Why can't you understand me? I can't give it to her. She's not a Gen Z. She doesn't need such money. She doesn't even have steez. So please, let's look for another way out.
If you know who I am, you won't challenge me.
Lele Mambash. Lele Mambash. Who are you? I can't read. Yeah, my friend, come here.
Sir?
Where is the young lady that left the sitting room now?
From this house? No, sorry, sir. No girl come out from this house.
Don't be stupid. Listen, a young girl left me now, like now. Who opened gate for her?
Okay, I swear to my living God, wait with me. Nobody don't come out from this house. Now you're there since morning. Small brother, I'm go there upstairs.
Are you sure you did not open this gate for anybody?
Okay, if I open gate, might die. Nobody. This gate never open.
Is a person come out from this gate? From this door, I mean. Sorry.
Are you sure about what you just said?
I die if I open this gate.
Come in.
Okay, good afternoon.
What is it?
Okay, get one fine girl with that side gate. Say she wants to see you.
What's her name?
Oh, okay, now some. The girl fine.
That might be Juliet. Let her come.
Okay.
Ruth. I wasn't expecting to see you.
Why are you stealing my? What is all this now? What is all this? God! God! I'm tired. Oh God! Hey! 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 God! It's so big! God! Hey! God! Hi.
Madam, your son had an internal injury. Huh? And it also affected his brain.
Jesus! Jesus, doctor, no. Doctor, no, please. Doctor, you need to help me. Please don't allow my enemies to laugh at me, please. Please.
It's okay, madam, you have to calm down. First, you have to deposit 350,000 naira before we commence proper treatment on him. Please.
Is he getting 350,000 naira?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! Jesus! Doctor, where do I get that kind of money from, doctor? Doctor, please, you have to help me. I'm just a poor widow. I don't have any help, doctor, please. Where do I get that kind of money, doctor, please? Okay, I can only get 50,000 naira for now, doctor. Please, I don't want my son to die.
Madam, please, you have to try hard. You have to try harder, please. And besides, this is a private hospital. Oh, there's nothing I can do about it.
Doctor, please.
I'm so sorry.
Please, doctor. Doctor, please, I don't want my son to die.
Calm down.
Doctor, please. Please help me. Help. Whoa, God, what will I do?
350,000 naira. 350,000 naira. Where do I get it from? Where do I get it from? God. God, where are you? Fiona, Andrew, come and save me. Come and save me. I'm all alone in this world. Come and save me. Nemeka, please. Please. Don't die. Don't die. Don't leave your mother. Nemeka. Timo. God. God, where are you? God, where are you? God. God. Help! God, please help me. Don't let my son die. Don't let anything happen to my son. Help! Help!
Your uncle has traveled to London to go and see his sons. About almost a year now, I think.
Uncle Dennis has gone to London to see his family.
Yes! Uncle Dennis has traveled to London to be with his sons. That is why his house is empty. See, my sister, he has traveled to London. But I don't know if he will come back. I don't know.
How do I reach him? Please, can you help me with his contact or any of my nephew's contact? Please, like Namdi and Chooks, please, I need your help right now. Just help me with it.
My dear, I don't have. Honestly, I don't. Since Dennis traveled to London, he has never contacted me for once. Honestly, I don't have.
Hi! Chimo, I'm finished. I'm finished.
I thought you were in contact with him.
No, I'm not. I'm not in contact with anybody. Hey! God! Hey! God, I'm finished. Nemeka, my son, oh! Hey!
I think you should calm down. Please.
Just let me to calm down. You have
calm
to
down. Let's hope that one day he will come.
Hey!
So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? You went to your late husband's house and then you found out that it has been sold and you came here to do what?
An action.
Nemeka is dying. Nemeka is dying in the hospital. Nemeka is dying, please. Please help me, Obi. Biko, help me. You're the only one that can come to my rescue. Remember, Nemeka is your favorite nephew. Please don't do this to me, please. You all know that I did not kill my husband. Please, don't allow his only son to die in peace, please. Please.
Let him die. You alone know who impregnated you. To give back to that crook. Eh? You think we don't know?
Hey, God! I have never cheated on my husband! I love my husband so much! I love him so much! I've never cheated on him! Why would you be saying such a thing? Why?
You love your husband so much.
Yes!
Eh? Oh, you think we don't know you killed him, right?
Everything is here.
We know everything. Forget that we're just pretending to flow with you. We know everything. We know you killed him. Eh? Stop all this pretense. I know this crocodile tears.
Why are you wasting your time talking to this woman? Why? When she is done shedding these crocodile tears I see in her eyes, she'll leave. Is it because we are still in the village?
Imagine.
Is it because we are still in the village?
They asked you to take an oath, you refused.
She refused though.
You refused. Now you're here crying.
The wine, this one don't finish.
Nah, babe, bring more wine, I beg.
Ogazi! Ogazi! Please bring more wine, oh. 2 bottles. 2 bottles. 2 bottles of wine.
You're disturbing us.
You know that house, right? That house has got building. Very soon I'm going to complete.
Please, for the last time, help me. Help my son. Nemeka is dying.
I want to see how I can start building another one. I have a land I bought somewhere close to the. So I cast a spell on the boy so that he will continue stealing until they kill him.
Yes.
Yes. You know that if we allow that boy to grow, he might come to fight for his father's property.
You're very right. Yes.
And we will not want that to happen. So that we will continue to enjoy what we are enjoying.
Yeah.
So let him die.
Let him die.
Yes, so that we will know that everything is finally ours. Abi?
Yes. You're very brave. You're correct, Obi.
That is why they call me Obi. Are we going to continue drinking here, or do you want us to go to Madame Ngozi's shop?
Now.
You know that there is this seasoned snail that she makes that is very delicious. Okay, finish up.
Big one.
Finish up. Just go,
Upon everything I want.
I'm okay.
All
I want to
my
I'm not getting my brother. So let's go.
I have no one to speak for me. Not at all. Is this how life is? I am tired of this world. When I know what I see. My God, please, you fight this battle for me. Don't let me to die in this battle. When I know what I see. My enemies are coming with force. Fight for me. Don't let me to die in this battle.
70,000 naira, madam. It won't be enough. 70,000 naira, madam. It won't be enough.
Doctor, please. Please. I'm begging you in the name of God. I promise I will run around to get more money. Just accept this one. Oh, please.
No, madam. It's just, you can keep your money. It won't be enough.
Doctor, no now. Don't talk like that. Okay, hold it. Let me go and get more money, please. Please, doctor, help me. Help me. I don't want anything to happen to my son, please.
Madam, calm down. This is not how we operate here. Once the money is complete, you can bring it. There's nothing I can do, please.
Doctor, please. Please just help me. Doctor, do you want me to die?
I'm
do you
sorry,
want me to die?
There's nothing I can do.
I don't want my son to die. Please. I don't want my son to die. Doctor, please just accept the money.
Madam, put yourself together. I'm sorry.
Hey! God! Doctor, help me. Help me, please. Please, I don't want my son to die, please. Help me, because no. Doctor, please look at me now. Look at me. God have mercy. Do this one for me, please. Heal my son. Just do this one for me. I beg you. God, just do it for me. If you can do this for me, I will forever praise your name. Thank you, Jesus. Please do it for me. Do it for me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Nemeka. Doctor. Nemeka. Doctor.
I told you. I told you he would take me back. Because he loves me. Okay? Now listen, you wicked and evil friend. Animal. Do not ever in your life, in your entire life, cross my path again. And not even in your wildest imagination. You will ever ruin this found love of mine. I'm still carrying Stanley's baby in my womb. And he still loves me. What does that tell you? Idiot. Foolish animal. Onye ma aka ọfụ n'anya. Okay? Okay? Please lock that door for me.
So Kechuku finally accepted her back, even with the pregnancy. Kechuku that I was planning to lure to my bed. Ruth. Ruth, you do this one or you do this one.
The spirit of her grandmother is strongly protecting her. Yes.
That means she lied to me. She told me her grandmother traveled to London.
No, she lied. She lied to you. Her grandmother is dead.
Wise one, not the last time I came here, I transferred money to you. What you were supposed to do did not work. I don't want to go into that, please. Whatever you're doing this time around, make sure it works. She's beginning to threaten my life. She appears everywhere. She visits me. She calls me every now and then.
Get me a woman. I shall use her spirit to fight the spirit of her grandmother. Yes. I need a woman blood. Yes.
Just a woman?
Yes.
Any type of woman?
Get me a woman.
No problem. I will get you a woman before the day runs out.
Be fast about it. Emengwa, Emeyarodachi. Time is running out.
Please help me, please. You're the only one that can come to my rescue, please. I need you now, please.
So now you need me. Why are you begging me? With all your many shakara and your yanga. Eh? So it has finally dawned on you now that I can be your messiah. Eh? You want me to come to your rescue? I have just 20,000 naira here with me, but I can't give it to you. You must give me that thing. That thing. Look, it's staring at me. Give it to me. I don't know. This thing has taken too long. It has taken too long. Just say yes and you have your peace. What are you saying now? Say something now. Huh?
I agree.
Wait. Don't make it look as if I'm actually trying to force you. But I'm happy it's coming out from your mouth now. You said you have agreed. There's no problem. It's long overdue. You shouldn't be going through all of this unnecessary stress. Are you ready for it? Not just saying you have agreed. Are you ready? Say something now.
Yes.
Let's go. You said you were sleeping in someone else's home.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Go and get your things back to the house. Huh? It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
Life is so simple. It's as simple as this conversation I'm having with you. There is no stress about it. Huh? Why is that today of all day? You and your missus. Why?
I'm sorry.
Hey!
I'm sorry, sir. Don't worry. It will stop by next tomorrow, please.
By next tomorrow, you said?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on to that 20,000 naira I gave to you now.
Okay.
Let me rush down to the bank and get more money so that we can go to the hospital together.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir. Thank
I'll
you.
be back now.
I appreciate, sir. God. God, I'm finished. Hey! God, my body.
Oh, okay, handsome. Good evening.
Jumwa,
Mm,
Ju baby.
yes.
How are you now?
Sweetheart, I'm fine. Thank you. Where are you heading to?
I want to go and eat somewhere cool and expensive. Then
Oh.
head to my friend's place from there. Are you hungry? You can escort me.
Wow, that's nice. But
Come on, have you forgotten who you're talking to? How much is the boutique? I will buy you something along the way.
oh, really? Thank you. Sweetheart, see your nose. I like it.
The great Ikenga. The great Ikenga. Today is a great day. Ekene kekene rekene afọ ekene nkwo. Na si na-eme nwata ka emere ibe ya obi adị ya mma. N'ebe nwata na-ebe akwa alụ aka nne ya nọ ya ma na nne ya nọ ya. Today, your son Okechukwu have offered you a sacrifice. Agbarụsịa ngene kuru ngene ṅụọ. Na si na mberede nyiri dike mana mberede ka eji ama dike. Alụpụ a na-afọ ndị mmụọ. Nkiri nkiri ka na-ekiri ododo na-eji ododo enyi ozu. Ife agụ ji eme ile dị ya na mbọ. Mana ebube agụ na-eche agụ. Ọdụm na-egbu agụ. Ọlụlụ chụpụrụ ọdụm n'ụlọ. Mkpakara ya ma ọzọ mana ọzọ ya na. N'ife ike nke bụ n'ụdị nke ewu dị ka ife dibịa dị kala ofeke. Atụọla ọmalụ ọmalụ. Atụọla ofeke ofe n'isi n'ọfịa.
My love.
No. I know what you want to say. Do you know how painful it is? Knowing fully well that you are carrying another man's child while with me. Do you know how painful that is?
My love, I understand. And I thought we've discussed about this. And you accepted. Please tell me what you want me to do. I will do anything for you.
Nothing. Do nothing.
Baby, I'm sorry. Okay? Please. Baby.
Stop disturbing me now. Let me enjoy this movie. Elicha. This is what they want me to give to someone else. Never. Mame. Never. I'd rather turn to snow and give it out.
ungrateful, wicked, and selfish. God, I can't even lay my hands on the box. Okechukwu, you return this box, but then it will be too late for you. I promise you that. I promise you.
What is going on here? You said I should bring a woman for sacrifice, which I did. So what are you saying? What are you telling me?
I said the sacrifice did not work.
Why? So I killed Uju for nothing? How can a full-grown sacrifice of a human being not work? Why didn't the sacrifice work?
Do you still need the girl dead or not?
Stop asking me annoying questions. If I don't want Juliet dead, I won't be here. I sacrificed a full human being and you are telling me it did not work? You think it's easy to kill?
Get me a pregnant woman. Bring her alive. Get her for me. That is what the girls demand. Yes.
You must not say whatever the gods demand. Sometimes ask them questions. It's not easy to kill. They're telling me to go and get a pregnant woman as if it's easy. Do you know the risk I take in luring people?
Go and get me a pregnant woman.
Please don't discharge my son this way, please. Please, I beg in the name of God. The man that was supposed to assist me in paying the medical bills, he died all of a sudden. I don't know. Seriously, I don't know what happened to him. Doctor, please. Please, you have to help me. You have to help me. Hey.
Madam, the management asked you to take your son. He can't just be lying there without adequate attendance. Please, this is beyond my capacity. I'm deeply sorry.
Please, Doctor, be good. Hey! Hey!
Ogene.
How do I look?
You look sweet, simple, and classy.
Really?
Wow. You are the definition of Ini Edo.
Aww.
Shall we?
Yes, baby.
Wow. Catwalk to the car.
Yes,
my
baby.
wife to be.
Oh, yeah.
My wife to be. Catwalk to the car. Please don't stop. Ini Edo.
Yes, baby.
Open the gate.
I am left left with nothing upon everything I want all my life. I have no one to speak for me, not at all. Is this how life is? I am tired of this world. My God, please, fight this battle for me. Don't let me to die in this battle. My enemies are coming with force. Fight for me. Don't let me to die in this battle. God, please have mercy on me. Don't let me to die in this battle. The battle is too much on me. Don't let me to die in this battle. Hear my cry, oh Lord. Hear my cry, oh
Lord. It's okay, it's okay. Okay. Sorry. Oh, Chim, I'm sorry. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
I've forgiven you now. I've forgiven you. You don't need to start crying now. I've forgiven you. What is it?
Mommy struck for me.
Look, see, don't worry, you'll be fine. I've forgiven you. Don't worry, I will get the strongest herbalist in this village to treat you, so you'll be fine. Stop crying now. Why are you looking at me like this? You're making me scared though. Mama, it's okay now. Stop crying. Stop crying. You make me cry now. You make me cry. No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, Biko, stop crying. I've forgiven you millions of times. I've forgiven you. Stop crying. Oh, Biko. I've forgiven you. No, don't worry. Let me go and make something for you to eat. Let me make something for you. I'm coming. Just hold on. I will make something nice. Oh, Biko, I'm coming. Stop crying. No, I don't like this thing you're doing. Stop crying.
Mberede nyiri dike. Mberede nyiri dike, mana ọkwa mberede ka eji ama dike na mberede nyiri dike. A sị na ezuo ka ahịrị udene, atọtuo ngịga. A sị na udene ebe aja anụ, udene ebe aja anụ, mana atụ aja fụrụ udene, ime anyị ife mere n'obi ndị mmụọ. Aka kpala ezekwa udene, kwuo mmọtiri ọzọ, maka na udene ebe ọ na-abụ nnukwu mmanwụ, ka alụsị aha na bụ aka na-abakwa eji ebu ya, n'isi na isi ha bụ n'ọnụ, isi kote bụ ọgba ya, isi ebuka na-erie ya, agwọ niile ji bụla agwọ ma na-enwere eke nwe ọfịa. Mpakana ya ma ọzọ, mana ọzọ ya na. I hope you receive the sacrifice. Dikeh. Today is a great day. Your son Okechukwu have come to offer you a sacrifice. Onye dudo. Onwere ogugu.
Don't worry, eh? I'm going to collect the money from that man. Even if he's a ritualist, I don't mind. I'm very desperate. I need to treat you very well. Oh? Well, come and eat. Get pap is ready now. Put enough sugar. Amy. Emeka, come now. Come and eat. Emeka. Jesus! Emeka! Jesus! Emeka! Hey! Chima! Mama! Emeka, please don't do this to me! Emeka, don't do this to me! Emeka, what is it? Emeka, wake up! Don't do this to me! Wake up! Emeka, don't do this to me! Emeka, don't do this to me! Emeka, please! Don't leave me, please don't leave me! Emeka, please! Emeka, please! Emeka, please, wake up! Don't leave me to me! Emeka!
Why would you go to beg for bread? Don't you know you're the son of a billionaire? Eh?
Forget it now. Mom, just eat the bread and have your medicine.
And what happened to your leg?
I was playing, I was running, so I don't sleep. But mommy, it's nothing now. It's nothing. I will be fine. Just take your medicine.
Andrew! Andrew! Andrew, see what your brothers and uncles have done us into! Andrew, look at what they have done us into!
Okay.
Look at your son! Your son is now a beggar, begging for common bread! Common bread, Andrew! Andrew, why did you allow us to pass through this all alone? Don't leave me, I'm frustrated, I'm tired! I'm tired, what is it? Andrew! Andrew, what is this? God! This was not the life I planned for! This was not the life I planned for, Andrew! Andrew! Andrew!
It's okay now.
Andrew!
It's okay. Just sit down. Don't you be bad. I have your medicine.
Hey! God!
It's okay.
Help! Hey! God! God, why? God, why me? Why me, God? God! God, me!
Are you tired? Are you tired? You're here. Yes, they are my family members. Any problem? Police catch them. Ask you what? How? Where? Which? Yes, are they okay? Which hospital? I'm coming. Doctor, it sounded urgent on the phone. What is it?
Yeah. I think this is one of the hardest things I'm going to tell you.
Doctor, what is it? I'm not a baby. Speak.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We lost them. Yeah. We lost your family.
All of them
gone.
Just, you're a man, I know you can take this.
Agreement is agreement. Don't compromise it. I am doing all this out of love. Forget greediness, yo. Onye ma warangi besi boy. Onye ma kami gwagi bajo higi. Forget greediness, no go. One more. Greediness, has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has led us astray. Onye si sotaru dara, no good dara has destroyed.
Tragedy after tragedy. Tragedy after tragedy. Onye ka mmejọ. Onye ka mmejọ. Hello, Chigozie, what is it? Okay, Ejike, what is it? What? My office is on fire. What happened? Oh, now? Ha! I'm coming.
Hello, thank God, Oga. Thank God say you pick up. Oga, bad news there, Oga, something down for us today. Oga, this is my room, I just shake, brick. Oga, hear me? Oga, just shake, brick. Yes, sir. As I come out, you come and say house don't collapse. Oga, the building don't fall. As I turn my back, Oga, my own side where they sleep don't fall. Oga, the cars, everything fall on top of the whole Wi-Fi cars, everything just collapse. Oga, they tell you need to arrest this engineer who built this house. What did this man build for you? What did he build for you? Sir?
Oga don't cut call. Hey, Oga don't cut call.
Juliet! 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 Please, I'm looking for Juliet. Afternoon. Where is Juliet?
Who are you?
My name is Okechukwu, her friend. Juliet now, she's not that tall, she's not dark. The skinny, fair girl. Just a young girl.
Juliet Ikwa?
Yes, Juliet that stays here.
Hey, Juliet. Juliet died since last year now. She died with her father. And this is her maternal home.
Yes. Maybe you are mistaking her for another person. Juliet, the young girl, she's fair, she's skinny.
Oga, Juliet died since last year. She don't die. She died with her father last year. Sir, any problem?
Yes, the problem is bigger than you.
Hey, problem bigger than me, kwa. Hey.
Emeka, what is this? Huh?
This is my destined wealth. And with this, you shall find peace. And you can start all over again. We will miss you more.
Emeka, where are you going to? Emeka, I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? Emeka, where are you going to? Emeka! Oh God! Emeka, please! Stop! Jesus! Emeka!
Agreement is agreement, don't compromise it. I am doing all this out of love, forget greediness. Oh, onye ma gwara gị bezibon, onye ma kami gwa gị bajo gị. Forget greediness, no go. One more has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has led us astray. Onye si sọtara ụdara n'ukwu dara lọfụ sie na agwa nwere obe enye ndị ebe enye ndị ọzọ. I warned you, don't eat alone. I warned you, don't be Ensure you know. Ensure you know. See what your greediness has cost you. See what your greediness has cost you. You disappointed me, you caused me pains. Ini can be regained. For this reason, you will suffer. For this reason, you must suffer. You will cry for death, death will run away from you. You will cry for help, help will run away from you. You will be more poor, poverty will be your friend. The cry of innocent will be upon your head. You will look for food, you will not see food to eat. You will look for death, death will run away from you. I curse you today, I curse you today. Has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has led us astray. When you see such a room, no good has destroyed the world. Love was in a self-centeredness, and yet stay best in your soul. Greediness, you are greedy, has destroyed the world. You are selfish, self-centeredness has led. Agreement is agreement, don't compromise it. I am doing all this out of love, forget greediness. Oh, you my warranty, busy boy. Oh, you my coming, buggy, joy. Forget greediness, no good. No more. Has destroyed the world. Self-centeredness has led us astray. When you see such a room, no good there has destroyed the world. Love was in a self-centeredness, and yet stay best in your soul. I warned you, don't eat alone. I warned you, don't be greedy. Ensure you know. Ensure you know. See what your greediness has cost you. See what your greediness has cost you. You disappointed me, you caused me pains. Ini can be regained. For this reason, you will suffer. For this reason, you must suffer. You will cry for death, death will run away from you. You will cry for help, help will run away from you. You will be more poor, poverty will be your friend. The cry of innocent will be upon your head. You will look for food, you will not see food to eat. You will look for death, death will run away from you. I curse you today,